Are you ready to start your own YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll cover everything that you need to get started. Let's go. The first thing you are going to want to do is to find your niche. But Brandi, what's a niche? It's a good thing you ask. So your niche is going to be what you are truly passionate about. Like, what do you love to do in your free time? What do you try and learn more about? What do you research about? It can be anything from gaming to travel to beauty or even technology. It depends, like, what excites you? And what do you think you could create consistent content about? And I'll be honest, it took me over 4 months to figure out what I wanted to do. I went back and forth between mommy things and YouTube content creation things. And guess what? I wanted to start with YouTube things, and I went to mommy things for a little bit, time management things. And now I'm back to YouTube things because I have spent the last year reading and listening to and taking courses on YouTube because that is what I'm passionate about. Find your passion and make content about that. Next, let's talk about the equipment that we need in order to create content on YouTube. And honestly, you don't need the most expensive gear, the expensive lighting, the expensive camera. You don't need all of that. Really, you can just start with your phone. And as you grow, you can consider upgrading your equipment as your income increases in the online business creation. My current setup, which I think I spent roughly $1,000 on, is the Sony ZV-F1 that came with a mic and a vlogging stick / tripod. And then I bought a different tripod for my phone, and then it turned out that I can put my camera on it too, and it's up higher. So that's actually what I've been using. But I think it all costs less than $1,000, and that's what I use. And then you will need a place to store your videos. This can be a online content thing. I personally use OneDrive to store all my content on, but you could buy an external hard drive to store your content on as well. Next up is content planning. Consistency is a vital thing in the content creation world, including YouTube, TikTok, and all of the other social platforms. So planning your content is crucial. So what you will need to do is you will need to create a content calendar. When are you wanting your videos to go live on said platform that you're creating the content for? When are you wanting your videos to go live on YouTube? When do you need to record those by? When do you need to have your script done by? These are things that you need to put in your calendar so you know what things need to be done by when. So you can have your video go live on the right day that you want it to. A content calendar helps you stay organized. I personally use Notion, but I know other content creators that use ClickUp or Asana or Trello. Find the one that works for you, because not all of them work for everyone. Next up, we have video editing. Once you've filmed your content, you'll need to edit it. And don't worry, you don't have to be a professional editor to get started, because believe me, I'm not a professional editor. There are plenty of user-friendly options out there, including Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. I personally found Premiere Pro easier for me to use. But for a budget-friendly option, DaVinci Resolve has a free version, where Premiere Pro, I think I pay about $35 a month for it. But with practice, you'll become more proficient in your video editing. Next up, we have branding and channel art. Branding is what sets your channel apart from everyone else's. You'll want to create a unique channel name that also reflects what your content is going to be about, along with eye-catching channel art and amazing thumbnails. A memorable logo and a color scheme can help viewers recognize your video apart from everyone else's when it's on their home feed. Let's talk about understanding SEO. But what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. This is how your videos get discovered on YouTube. You'll want to use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help YouTube understand what your content is about. Because when you only have 5 videos up, YouTube doesn't know what to do with it. So having all of that information helps YouTube give it to the right audience. This will also increase the likelihood of coming up in search, as well as your videos getting recommended to other people. First of all, we want to talk about engaging with your audience. As you start to get subscribers and views and comments, you'll want to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and listen to what your viewers want. Building a loyal community can be a rewarding aspect of being a YouTuber. And the wonderful thing is, even starting out, YouTube changed things that even beginners have a community tab where when you start getting followers, you can reach out and take polls and ask your subscribers and viewers what they want to see. What do they need to know more about? Or what would they like to know more about? And this can help you create content in the future. And there you have it. And those are the basics that you need in order to get started on YouTube today. Remember, it's a journey. And it's okay to start small. The most important thing is to have fun with it. Be authentic and keep learning and keep improving your content. 1% better each time. In a year, you'll be amazed at how far you've came in that year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share with somebody that you think might benefit from this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.